When you perform inner join, in the output you got only 3 records. For the inner join, you got only 3 records. You got Sunil record. Sunil is 10th department employee. 10th department employee is working in sales department and Hyderabad location. You got it. And you got Sri record. Sri is 20th department employee. 20th department employees, they're working for HR department name and Bangalore location. You got it here. And Shiva is also working for 10th department. 10th department employee belongs to sales department Hyderabad. You got it here. So I have 4 employees, but I in the output I got only 3 employees. So Ram is not there in this output. So why Ram is not there in the output is Ram is not a matching record. Ram have a department number 50, which is not matching anywhere. Which is not matching anywhere. When it is a non-matching record, you will not get it. But so 90%, greater than 90% of time, client will expect Ram is an employee. You need to show him. You need to show like this 1004 Ram, and his salary is 4,000, and he's working in 50th department. Unfortunately, Ram doesn't have any department, matching department here. So when he don't have any matching department name and locations, show them as null. Show them as null. This is the output. Majority of the case, client will expect. When you want to get this kind of output, you need to perform left outer join. You need to perform left outer join. Right? What left outer join will give is, left outer join will give matching records. Whatever inner join will give, that inner join output you will get. Left outer join will give matching records, plus additionally, matching records means what, guys? Matching records means inner join output. Matching records means inner join output. It will give by default in the left outer join, inner join output will be there. Matching records are nothing but inner join output. Along with this, it will give non-matching records from left side table. Non-matching records from left side table. Right? First it will give matching records, and then it will go and give non-matching records from the left side table. Yes. Let me show you what kind of output you will get. So I'll take same 2 tables, and I want to perform left outer join between these 2 tables. So the database syntax is pin to pin same. Only in the place of inner, you want to change it to left outer. In the place of inner, you need to change it to left outer. Remaining are same. Previously, as I want to get matching records, I use join type as inner. This time what I need is, I need matching records as well as non-matching record also from the left side table. When you want non-matching record also from left side table, instead of inner join, you need to write here left outer join. That's it. Let's change it here. Copy the syntax. Go here. In the place of inner join, just write left outer join. When you run this query, first it will give the matching records between these 2 tables. First in the output, you'll get matching records. This records you will get it. These 3 records are matching records. So same way it will execute, guys. When you run this query, first it will take first table in the from list. From the first table, first row will go to the first row. Is it matching? Yes, matching, you will get it. First row will go to the second row. First row will go to the third row. You will not get it. Once it is done with first row, it will take second row. Second row will go to first row. It is not matching. Second row will go to the second row. It is matching. Second row will go to the third row. It is not matching. You will get this one more record, matching record. And it will take third row. Third row will go to first row. It is matching. You will get it. Third row will go to the second row. It is not matching. You will not get it. Third row will go to third row. It is not matching. You will not get it. And so fifth row will go to first row. It is not matching. It is not matching. It is not matching. Nowhere it is matching. So first we are done with identifying the matching records. These 3 records are matching records. So it will not stop here. It will not stop here. So along with the matching records, it will give non-matching records from left side table. It will do additional check. One more check it will do. Once after checking all the matching records between these two tables, it will do one more check. That one more check is non-matching records from left side table. It will go to left side table. Left side table means you have join type, right? So to this join type, left table is nothing but this, right table is nothing but this. So this is the join type. Before join type, what is the table you have? That is left side table. After join type, what is the table you have? That is right side table. Right side table. Left outer join will give non-matching records from left side table. Left side table is nothing but which table, guys? Employee table. Now this will go to the left side table and it will check is there any non-matching record. Sunil is a matching record. Shri is a matching record. Shiva is a matching record. And there is one non-matching record called Ram. You will get it. For the non-matching record in the left side table, for left side table columns, you'll get the data. You'll get the data. For right side table columns, you'll get null values. There is no matching. You'll get null values here. There is no matching. You'll get null values. Let me copy paste this. For the left side table columns, you'll get some values. For the right side table columns, you'll not have any matching here. Then you'll get null values. Null values, right? Perfect. This is left outer join. This is the output which client will expect majority of the cases. Once you are done with left outer join, what is the next join? Right outer join. The next type of join we have is right outer join. Let me explain about right outer join. Right outer join will give matching records. That is nothing but inner join output. Plus, this time it will give non-matching records from right side table. First it will give matching records, then it will give non-matching records, this time from right side table. Right side table. Previously, left outer means left side table, right outer means right side table. And let me perform right outer join on these two tables. When you want to perform right outer join on these two tables, the query, database query is pin to pin same. Only the difference in the database query is in the place of left, you will get right. In the place of left, you will get right. Just go and change it to right. Right outer join. When you run this query, it will execute. First, it will give matching records. Inner join output. These three records are matching records. First, you will get this matching records. Once after the matching records, this time it will go to the right side table. To the join type, what is the right side table? Department. It will go to the right side table this time. And in the right side table, it will see non-matching record. 10th department have matching employees. 20th department have matching employees. There is 30th department which is not matching anywhere. Which is not matching anywhere. This is a non-matching record. You'll get it. This time for right outer join, for all the columns from the left side table, you'll get null values. For all the columns which you are taking from left side table, you'll get null values. Only the columns which you are taking from right side table, you'll get these values. You'll get these values. Let me write here. For all the columns from left side table, you'll get null values. Here also you'll get null value. And only the columns which you are taking from right side table, you'll get values. Finance and Pune. This is right outer join, guys. The next one is full outer join. The last join type we have is full outer join. Full outer join.
Sorry, sir. Sorry to disturb.
Wait for a few minutes. Wait for 2 minutes. Full outer join. When you perform full outer join, it will give matching records from both the tables. Full outer join will give matching records from both the tables plus non-matching records from left side table. Once it is giving matching records from both the tables, then it will give non-matching records from left side table plus this will even give non-matching records from right side table, all of them. So it will give matching records. Matching records are nothing but inner join output. It will give non-matching records from left side table. It will even give non-matching records from right side table. Right side table. And between these two tables, I'll perform full outer join. Between these two tables, I'll perform full outer join this time. When you perform full outer join, first the database syntax is same. There is no difference with the database syntax. Only the difference you will find is in the place of right, you will get full, And when you run this query, first it will give matching records. The matching records here is these 3 records are matching records. Once it is done with matching records, immediately it will give non-matching records from left side table. It will go to the left side table. It will give non-matching records from left side table. Non-matching records from left side table. Non-matching record from left side table is this. Non-matching record from left side table is this. And for right side table columns, you will get null values here. You will get null values here. And once it is done with non-matching records from left side table, it will go to the right side table this time. It will even go to the right side table, full outer join, right? So in the right side table, non-matching record is this. For all the left side table columns, you will get null values, null values, null values, and only for right side table columns, you will get some values here. Like this, full outer join will give first matching records. The order of the output also same, guys. These are matching records. These 3 records are matching records. Matching records. This record is non-matching record from left side table. This record is non-matching record from right side table. Right side table. This is full outer join, guys. So there are some more joins called self join. I'll talk about self join in a couple of minutes. Now, anybody have any questions? Yes, tell me. What's your question?
Sir, here in the right side matching one, why the department number also it will show null?
See, it will show null only. Why? Because you are taking department number column from where? emp.department number. If you want department number column here, you just change it to dept.department number. You change it to dept.department number. Then this 30 will come here.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Any other questions? Please be on mute if there is no questions. Fine, guys. Now I'll ask some question here. So I'll take 2 tables now. I'll take 2 sample tables. Table 1, and it contains one column, column 1, and it contains some data, something like this. Table 1, column 1, it contains some data like this: 1, 2, 2, and 3. So some data is there, 1, 2, and 3, and there is table 2, and there is column. In the table 2 also I have one column, column 1. This is a separate table. I have one more column here, and this contains the data something like this, guys. This contains the data something like this, which contains 1, and one more row is 1, and then another row is 2, then another row is 4. So each table contains 4 rows, guys. Each table contains 4 rows, and the values are something like this. This table also contains 4 rows. The values are something like this. I want to perform all the join types between these tables. Let me copy these join types and tell me how many rows you will get in the output. I'll perform all these join types. First, I'll perform cross join between these 2 tables. When I perform cross join between these 2 tables, how many rows you will get in the output? Tell me. So use the chat window.
16.
Use the chat window, please. So when you perform cross join, so majority of the people are telling that 16 rows you will get. Yes, correct. Cross join will give 16 rows. I said that in the cross join, first row will go to first row. First row will go to the second row. First row will go to the third row. First row will go to the fourth row. Blindly it will give the output. So totally 4 rows you have. 4 into 4, 16 you will get in the output. Yes, right. 16 rows you will get in the output. Correct. So when you perform inner join, how many rows you will get? Use the chat window, please. Inner join,
4.
how many rows you will get? Someone is telling that 3 rows you will get. Someone is telling that 4 rows you will get. Someone is telling that 2 rows you will get. Understand the concept correctly. So majority of the people are telling that you'll get 4 rows. 4 rows, correct. 4 rows you will get. 4 rows you will get. Not 2, not 3. 4 rows you will get. So how 4 rows you will get this? Inner join, what it will give, guys? Matching records. First row will go to the first row. It is matching one record. First row will go to the second row. It is matching. One more record. First row will go to the third row. It is not matching. First row will go to the fourth row. It is not matching. When first row goes, you got two rows. Two rows. And once it is done with first row, then it will take second row. Second row will go to the first row. It is not matching. Second row will go to the second row. It is not matching. Second row will go to the third row. It is matching. Second row will go to the fourth row. It is not matching. 2 plus 1, 3 rows. And this row will go. It is not matching here. It is not matching here. It is matching here. It is not matching here. 3 plus 1, 4 rows. And the last row will go. Last row is not matching anywhere. Totally, you'll get 4 rows in the output. So if you cannot understand how the internal join will perform, answering this kind of questions is not easy. If you can understand how the joins will perform internally, this kind of questions you can answer in fingertips. Right? Totally how many rows you'll get is just 4 rows you'll get. So how many rows you'll get? 5 rows you'll get, correct. Left outer join, so it will give matching records. Inner join output. Inner join 4 rows it is giving. And it will give the non-matching record from left side table. In the left side table, what is the non-matching record you have? This record. So this 4 rows plus this plus 1 row. Totally 5 rows you'll get. 5 rows you'll get. And you perform right outer join between these two tables, how many rows you'll get? Again 5 rows. Right outer join will give 5 rows. Right outer join will give matching records. Matching records is nothing but 4 rows. And non-matching records from right side table, that is nothing but this row. Totally of 5 rows you'll get. 5 rows you'll get. And full outer join, how many rows it will give? Full outer join, how many rows it will give? Full outer join will give 6 rows, correct. Full outer join will give 6 rows. First, full outer join will give matching records. Matching records are 4 rows. And then it will go to the left side table. And it will give non-matching records. Plus 1 more row. And it will go to the right side table. It will give this record. Non-matching record. Totally 6 rows you will get in the output. 6 rows you will get in the output. Now let's go and perform all this in the Power Query. Is a matter of 5 minutes, guys. Joining the tables in the Power Query is quite simple. Let me open Power Query software. Double click on it. Double click on the software. It will start opening. Once after opening the software, you can close this and you can click on transform data. Once it was open the Power Query software, bring the tables. I'll bring same EMP table and DEPT table. Click on Excel, desktop backup, source files. I have EMP DEPT table. I'll bring them. To explain the joins, I'll use this EMP DEPT managers table. Select the EMP table, select the DEPT table, and select the manager table. Press OK. Once you bring the tables here, we can join them. Let's look at the data, what kind of data you have in the EMP table and DEPT table. EMP table contains 15 rows in it. EMP table contains 15 rows in it. 15 employees are there. That 15 employees are working in 4 different departments. Few employees are working in 10th department. Few employees are working in 20th department. Few employees are working in 30th department. Few employees are working in 50th department. Look at this. So few employees are working in 10th department. Few employees are working with 20th department. Few employees are working with 30th department. And few employees are working with 50th department. So there are 15 rows. 1 employee is working in 50th department. 3 employees are working with 10th department. 5 employees are working with 20th department. Some 6 employees are working with 30th department. 3 plus 5 plus 6. 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1. Right? Totally 15 employees are working. Same way, I have a department table where 10th department employees are working in accounting in New York. 20th department employees are working in research in Dallas. 30th department employees are working in sales in Chicago. 40th department employees are working for operations in Boston. Operations in Boston. Fine. So I have two tables. I want to join these two tables. So I'll try to join the EMP table and DEPT table. In these two tables, I have matching departments. 10, 20, and 30 are matching departments. And department table contains 40th department, which doesn't have any matching employees. In the EMP table, 10, 20, and 30 are matching departments. And 50 is not non-matching record, which doesn't have any department name and location. Right. This is the data I have. I'll go and perform join between the two tables. I'll try to join this EMP table and DEPT table now. So if you want to join the tables, where you need to go is select the table first table, select one table first. I want to join EMP table with the DEPT table, right? The requirement is, so EMP table contains 8 columns, DEPT table contains 3 columns. I don't want to load 2 tables into the Power Pivot independently. I don't want to load these 2 tables independently. What I need to do is, I need to combine these 2 tables and I need to create a new table, and that new table I need to have 11 columns. Or in the new table, I need to have 8 columns from EMP table and 2 columns from DEPT table. The 2 columns I need from DEPT table is DNAME and location. DNAME and location. I want a new table where you need to have 8 plus 2, 10 columns I need to have. So when you want to create a new table with 10 columns, you need to join these 2 tables. How can we join these 2 tables is, select the table, go here, combine queries. There is an option called merge queries. There are 2 options, merge queries and merge queries as new. Let's understand this. When to go with merge queries, when to go with merge queries as new. When you go with merge queries, to this selected table itself, it will add 2 more columns. I have EMP table already, which contains 8 columns. To this EMP table itself, if you want to add 2 more columns, to this table itself, you can go with an option called merge queries, guys. Merge queries can add the tables to the existing table itself. Right, let's do that now. So select the source table, click on merge queries. When I click on merge queries, so the current table is EMP table. To this table, what new columns you need to add? I want to add DNAME column. I want to add location column to this. I want to add 2 more columns. To add 2 more columns, go and select DEPT table. EMP table, join with DEPT table. EMP table, join with DEPT table. So it is asking, select tables which you need to join. I need to join EMP table with the DEPT table. Only selecting the tables is not sufficient. You need to mandatorily select the matching column. In the Power Query, if you want to join the tables, you need to select matching column also. So the matching column here is department number and department number. Go and select them. Department number column and department number column. And default join type. So one important question in the interview is, what is the default join type, or what is the default join kind in the Power Query? What is the default join kind in the Power Query? Left outer join. Keep in mind, remember it. What is the default join kind or join type? What is the default join kind or join type in Power Query? Power Query. So answer is left outer join, guys. Left outer join. Left outer join is the default join kind. Look at this left outer. There is lot of join kinds here, but the default one is left outer. That's it. Just press OK. This time when you press OK, to the existing EMP table itself, it will add 1 more column. So previously in the EMP table, I have 8 columns. Now you got 9 columns. How many columns you have in EMP table now? 9 columns. Previously 8. It got added 1 new column here. Now you can go and click on expand button and you can choose what columns you want from DEPT table. Now you got complete DEPT table here. From this complete DEPT table, what columns you want, you can go and expand and you can select it. Click on this expand button, and I don't need department number column. Uncheck this. I need DNAME and location column. And there is one checkbox called, I'll talk about what is this expand and what is this aggregate. For now, just go with expand itself. Default is expand. Go with expand. What is this aggregate? We'll discuss in the later classes. I'll discuss. So when you click on expand, select what columns you want, and there is an option called use original column name as prefix. Uncheck this. Use original column name as prefix. You have right. Uncheck this. So when you check this, what happens is you'll get a table name.column name. When you check this, you'll get DEPT.dname. You'll get the DEPT.location. DEPT.location. DEPT.dname. DEPT.dname. You'll get like this. When you keep as it is, you'll get like this. DEPT.dname and DEPT.location. When you uncheck this, you'll get only column name. If you want table name.column name, for the first time, let's have this checkbox selected. When I press OK, you'll get table name.column name. So table name DEPT.location. If you want table name.column name, you keep it like this. So when you don't need it, when I don't need that, click on expand, select what columns you want, uncheck this use original column name as prefix. When you uncheck this, you'll get just column names, DNAME and location. Now look at this. I got one table which contains 10 columns, 8 columns from EMP table, 2 columns from DEPT. To the existing table itself, if you want to add the columns, you can go with merge queries, guys. So to make it clear, I always go with merge queries as new. So I don't go with merge queries. Now let me remove the steps for now. I'm removing. Now EMP table contains exactly 8 columns only. EMP table contains 8 columns. I removed that steps, and DEPT table contains 4 columns or 3 columns. You have it. I want to join these 2 tables. I want to get a new table, and that new table I need to have 10 columns. Whenever you need to get a new table, you need to do what? Go here. This time click on merge queries as new. You need to combine the 2 tables and you need to get a new table. That is what our requirement. Click on merge queries as new. When I click on merge queries as new, I can join EMP table with the DEPT table with a common column called department number column. And again, I'll go with the default join kind, left outer join. In the real time, greater than 90% of the time, we'll go with left outer join only. Left outer join will give matching records plus non-matching records from left side table. The first table is nothing but left side table. The second table is nothing but right side table. Right side table. Press OK. Press OK. Look at this. You got a new table. You can rename it. Right click on it. You can rename it. You can give the name as EMP DEPT. Why? Because this table contains columns from EMP table as well as this table contains columns from DEPT table. You can rename and you can give a proper name. Go and you'll get first 8 columns from the first table, and along with that you'll get a table which you joined. So if you want to select the columns which are there in this table, select this, click on expand and go and select DNAME and location column. Press OK. When you go here, you got DNAME and location. So in the EMP DEPT table, how many columns you have? 10 columns. 8 columns from EMP table and 2 more columns from DEPT table. Perfect. So we understand so far when to go with merge queries, when to go with merge queries as new. Now let's talk more about it. So now let's go and discuss. So I want to join these 2 tables and I want only matching records. I want to join EMP table and DEPT table. I want only matching records. Even though when 15 employees are there, only 14 employees have matching location and matching department name. I want only that 14 employees, starting from Clark till James. They have matching department name and location. Sunil doesn't have matching department name and location. Whenever I need only matching records, what is the join kind I need to select? I need to join the EMP table and DEPT table, merge queries as new. I want to join EMP table and DEPT table. and with a common column called department number column. And I want only matching records between this EMP table and DEPT table. What is the join kind I need to choose here? Inner. You need to choose what? Inner. Inner join will give only matching records. How many matching records you will get? How many matching records you will get? How many matching records you will get in the output? When I select EMP table and DEPT table, the two tables I need to join is EMP table and DEPT table based on a common column called department number. And when I perform inner join between these two tables, how many rows you will get in the output?
Unmuted.
Okay, you'll get 14 rows. Just 14 rows you will get. Look at this. So EMP inner join DEPT. So when you perform inner join, it will just give, click on expand and go and select what columns you want, DNAME and location. When I press OK, you'll get only 14 records. So if you go here, starting from Clark till James, you are getting. So starting from Clark till James, you are getting. So from left side table, what happens here? In this, what happens? Let's go to this step. From the left side table, every row will go to every row in the second table. Wherever it is matching, you'll get that matching record. So when first row goes, it have a matching department name and location. When second row goes, it have a matching department name and location. When third row goes, it have a matching department and location. There is a last row Sunil record. Sunil have 50th department. When Sunil rows went here, 50 equal 10 non-matching, 50 equal to 20 not matching, 50 equal to 30 not matching, 50 equal to 40 not matching. So as you use inner join, Sunil record you will not get. So till James you are getting, you're not getting Sunil record. Why? Because Sunil doesn't have any department name and location. 10th department employees, department name is accounting, location is New York. 20th department employees, department name is research, location is Dallas. 30th department employees, department name is sales, location is Chicago. There is a 50th department employee, he doesn't have department name and location, you are not getting it. So I said that, so he is our employee, you are not supposed to remove him. When that employee doesn't have any matching department name and location, show null values. Null means department name is, there is no department name. Null means there is no location. Show like this, but don't remove him. If you want this kind of output, I want 15 rows. In the 15th row, I want to see Sunil record here along with the null values here. If you want this kind of output, what join type you need to use? Left outer join. Go here, merge queries as new. I need to join EMP table with DEPT table based on a common column called department number column, and the join kind this time I'll go with the left outer join. When you go with the left outer join will give matching records from both the tables. 14 records are matching records. Once it is done with matching records, it will go to the left side table. First table is left side table. Second table is right side table. Right side table. This time it will go to the first table, left side table. It will go to the left side table. It will identify the non-matching record. Just press OK. EMP left outer join DEPT. When you perform left outer join here, so you will even get Sunil record also. Look at this, Sunil record also there. Go here, click on expand, select this, what columns you want, select them, press OK. Look at this, it is giving complete Sunil record, but DNAME and location is showing null values. From left side table, all the columns you will get values. From the right side table, whatever the columns you are seeing, you will get null values. You'll get null values. The next one is, I want matching records from both the tables. This time I want non-matching record from right side table. If you want non-matching record from right side table, what you can do? Go here, merge queries as new. I need to join EMP table with DEPT table, but this time I need matching records plus non-matching records from right side table, second table, right side table. For that you can go with right outer join. And you need to select a common column and just press OK. When you press OK, let me rename it to EMP right outer join DEPT. EMP right outer join, DEPT. This time, go here, expand and select what columns you want. If you want only DNAME and location, select only DNAME and location. Look at this. So this time, first 14 records are matching records. And 15th record is non-matching record from left side table. 15th record is non-matching record from left side table or right side table. So this time right outer join, right? 15th record is non-matching record from right side table. For the right side table, all the left side table columns are null. Look at this. All the left side, even department number also from left side table. All the left side table values are null. Only right side table columns you are getting, operations and Boston. If you don't like this, go here, select department number column also. When you select department number column from DEPT table, it will give. When you select department number column from DEPT table, it will give the value. When you select department number from the EMP table, it will give the null value. It will give the null value. This is right outer join, guys. Right outer join will give matching records from both the tables, non-matching record from right side table. For right side table, all the left side table columns will be null. Only right side table columns you will get values. So sometimes I want matching records from both the tables as well as non-matching records from first table and second table as well. When you want all of them, select this, merge queries as new. See how simple joining the tables in Power Query. I want to join EMP table with the DEPT table with a common column called department number column, and join kind is this time full outer join. I'll go with full outer join will give matching record from both the table, and it will give non-matching record from left side table, and it will give non-matching record from right side table. All of them it will give. Just press OK. You'll get a new table, EMP full outer join DEPT. You'll get EMP full outer join DEPT, guys. So go here, click on expand and select what columns you want. For now, let me select all the columns, press OK. Now look at this first 14. The order also same, guys. However, I said here, however I explain about full outer join, first it will give matching records, and then it will give non-matching record from left side table, and then it will give non-matching records from right side table. Even the order also same. Look at this, first 14 records are matching records, and 15th record is non-matching record from left side table. Let's go here, expand. So for non-matching record from left side table, for left side table you will get values, for right side table columns you will get null values. And then the last record is non-matching record from right side table. For non-matching record from right side table, left side table columns you will get null values, right side table columns you will get some data. We'll get some data, guys. This is about full outer join, guys. There is two more join types. Merge queries as new. In the Power Query, there is two more join types. EMP join with DEPT based on a common column called department number. We seen left outer join, we seen right outer join, we seen full outer join, we seen inner join. And there is one join called left anti-join. So what is this left anti-join is? Left anti-join will give only non-matching records from left side table. There is one join type called left anti-join. Left anti-join. Left anti-join will give only non-matching records from left side table. Only non-matching records from left side table. Only non-matching records from left side table, you will get it. The next one is right anti-join. There is one more type join type called right anti-join. Right anti-join will give only non-matching records from right side table this time. Only non-matching record from right side table. So whenever you need only non-matching records from left side table or only non-matching records from right side table, you can use this. Now let's get only non-matching records from left side table. Left anti will give only non-matching record from left side table. Only non-matching record from left side table is which one? Sunil. You'll get only that record. Press OK. EMP left anti DEPT. EMP left anti DEPT. You will get what? only Sunil record is the non-matching record. Even when you go and expand, all the columns will contain null values. So dname is null, location is null for this. And if you want only non-matching record from right side table, just go here, merge queries as new. I need to join EMP table with DEPT table with a common column called department number column. And the join kind this time is right anti. Right anti will give only non-matching record from right side table. So which department doesn't have any employees? 10th department have employees, 20th department have employees, 30th department have employees. Only 40th department doesn't have any employees. Just press OK. It will give only non-matching record from right side table. Which department? 40th department is the one which is not having any matching employees. EMP, right anti, DEPT. These are the different join types we have in Power Query. So what are the other pending things we need to discuss is, so go here, when you join the two tables, I want cross join output. First table, EMP table contains 15 records, DEPT table contains 4 records. I want all the combination of data, 60 rows I want. To get 60 rows, do you have any cross join here? In the join type, if you have cross join, when I select the cross join, you will get 60 rows. How to perform cross join? So what are the pending things we need to discuss from match queries is how to perform cross join. How to get cross join output we need to see. So once after the cross join, so now we are seeing how to join the table on only one column. How to join the table on only one column we are seeing. So instead of joining the table on only one column, that sometimes you need to write multiple join conditions. This is only one join condition you are writing. How to join the tables with multiple join conditions. How to join the tables with multiple join conditions. So once you understand this, how to join the tables with multiple join conditions, then we will try to understand. So now we are able to join only 2 tables at a time. 2 tables at a time. So my requirement is I have table 1, I have table 2, I have table 3. So instead of loading these 3 tables individually into Power Pivot, my plan is I need to combine these 3 tables into one table. I need to combine these 3 tables into one table. I need to load it. How to join more than 2 tables? Now we are able to see joining only 2 tables. We want to understand how to join more than 2 tables. How to join more than 2 tables. More than 2 tables. The next one we will try to understand is there is one more join type called self-join. There is one more join type called self-join. We have not discussed. What is self-join? So, what is self-join? How to perform it? We'll discuss. What is self-join? How to perform it? In interviews, they'll ask, what is self-join? Yes, guys. How to perform it? We'll discuss. The next one we'll discuss is when you are joining the tables, you will find an option, a checkbox here. Use fuzzy matching. What is this checkbox? When we need to check the checkbox? Use fuzzy matching. What is use fuzzy matching? We'll discuss one by one. We want to discuss all this. We'll discuss one by one. So before we go and discuss them, anybody have any questions so far? These are the pending things we have from merge queries. Whatever we discussed so far, anybody have any questions?
Without common column, we can merge.
Without common column?
We can merge or not.
You want to add one extra column. So if my tables does not contains any common column, I can create one new column. I can add some common data in the two tables. I can join. But if there is no common column, there is no meaning of joining the two tables. They never ask you, but there is a way. Even if you don't have a common column, as a Power BI developer, we can create one common column between the two tables. We can join them.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question. In left outer join, we have a situation in right side table. We have duplicate rows. So when we have duplicate rows, what it will do, sir?
You'll get two records. You'll get two records.
Okay. Is there a way to get unique records, sir?
Yeah, you can delete the duplicates. Once you get the output, you can delete the duplicates. In Power Query, there is an option. If your table is getting the duplicates, let's assume this table is getting the duplicates. Right click on it. You have an option called remove duplicates. Have you gone through the video, row transformations video which I shared? If you want to remove the duplicates at the table level, you can remove the duplicates. Yes, if you have a
thank you, sir.
Duplicate row, yes, you will get that row also. Again, if you want to delete it at a table level, you need to remove the duplicates.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So
Any other questions?
Yeah, so can we do when we do combine merge, can we delete older tables?
No, you are not supposed to delete them. Frankly to speak, good question. So when you use these two tables, you got a target table. You want to load only target table into the Power Pivot. You don't need to load the source tables. So when I click on close and apply, it will load the source tables as well as this target table. So in this target table itself, you have this two tables data. So can we go and delete these two tables means when I right click on it, when I try to delete it, you will find an option to delete, but it will not allow you. Why? Because this table is source for this table. It will not allow you. Look at this. When I right click on it, when I click on delete, it will not allow you. This EMP table is used in all these tables. It is used in a lot of different tables. You are not supposed to delete it. Cannot be deleted because it has been referenced by other tables. Then what you need to do? So when I click on close and apply, it will load all the 10 tables. I don't want to load all the 10 tables. I don't want to load the source tables. If you want to stop loading the source tables, you are not supposed to delete it. There is an option called enable load. You need to uncheck this option. Right click on it, uncheck this enable load. Right click on it, uncheck this enable load. This time it will load only this 8 tables. It will not load this EMP DEPT table. If you want to stop loading these two tables to Power Pivot, you need to right click and you need to uncheck this enable load option. It will stop loading the table. I'll talk about all these options in the coming class.
Okay, sir, when we do uncheck also, backend data will be there, and when we publish that PBX format file.
No, backend data will not be there. Backend data will not be there. It is limited to Power Query only. It will not come till Power Pivot. Where you will have backend data? Where you will have backend data? What you are telling? You are telling that backend data will come till Power Pivot. So backend data will come till only Power Query only. It will not come till Power Pivot. When it comes till Power Pivot, it will occupy space. It will occupy space in report. So the data will come till Power Query only. And then it join data will load into Power Pivot. Any other questions?
Sir, when we select merge queries, it will also create a new table, right? Why we have to go for merge queries for new?
When you create merge queries, where it is creating new table, it is joining the 2 more columns to the existing table itself, right? So when I have EMP table, when I go to merge queries, when I select merge queries, to the existing table itself, it will add the 2 more columns to the EMP table itself. Please be on mute. Please be on mute. When you join them, it is adding this to the existing table itself. It is adding to the existing table itself. It is not creating a new table. Where it is creating a new table? It will not.
So while merging the two tables, if you want to do any operations, like for example, department number is there in both the tables. For example, if department number is not there in employee table, then I will use NVL. I need to take it from employee table. Like that we can able to do.
How you can take it from employee table? On what basis you can take it? Don't think extra. Don't think extra. When there is no common columns, people will not ask you to join them. So yes, it is there in the employee table. On what basis you will take? I don't have this department number column here. On what basis you will take it? Any other questions, guys? Let me publish this report. Just tell me.
Sir, common columns 2 or 3. One more. How can what?
I said it. I listed it. How to join the tables with multiple join conditions, multiple common columns. When you have how to join them, we'll discuss it.